Vajrasana. Vajrasana derives its name from the influence of Vajranadi, which gives the body a sturdy, stone-like quality resembling a Vajra. It is a conducive posture for meditation as well. Procedure to do. Sit on the asana, joining the toes and heels of both feet while extending the toes. Place both palms on your knees. Shift both palms to the right side. And simultaneously bend both legs, putting the entire body's weight on them. Open the heels and settle onto them, with both palms remaining on the knees. Ensure that your waist and neck are straight. Advantage. Vajrasana enhances digestion and promotes the health of the pelvic organs when knees and thighs are stretched. By maintaining a straight waist and neck while allowing the body to relax, this posture offers rest to all bodily organs. It alleviates fatigue caused by excessive walking and cycling. Sitting in Vajrasana for 4 to 8 minutes stimulates calf metabolism, facilitating blood flow towards the heart. This asana can help in curing varicose vein disease. The pressure exerted on the thighs generates heat in the leg veins, activating the pelvic organs.